Ladies and gentlemen, as we move forward in the prestigious evening, it is now time to welcome the eminent dignitaries, distinguished guests, industry leaders, healthcare visionaries, architects, policy makers, and change makers who have gracefully inaugurated the celebration with their esteemed presence. Please join me in welcoming all the dignitaries of today. It's time for panel discussion 5, From Volume to Value, moving India's MTV strategy up for the complexity curve. May I now request all the panelists to join us on the stage. The moderator of this panel will be Dr. Afzal Siddiqui, CEO Marlin Medical Assistance Private Limited, Dr. Sameer Gupta, Director Metro Group of Hospitals, Sushant Mathur, Artemis Hospitals, Jyoti Kaur, Vice President, International Head Marketing, Yashoda Medicity, Dr. Manisha Soni, Founder, CommuniCarex. Please give them a big round of applause, everyone.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for joining us today for excellent or very important conversations regarding the quality and the volume-based medical value travel. So, start with Mr. Sushant Mathur. As you know, Artemis is welcoming many patients for the complex surgery. So, how is the hospital adapting a strategy to attract the patients who are looking for more complex surgeries?
Thank you very much for inviting us. Artemis depends on by giving good care, providing good facilities. Everything is moving fast and the technologies are also changing.
Great. So moving to Ms. Jyoti Kaur, she is president of Yashoda Medicity and heading international marketing. And recently they have started a very beautiful Medicity. So what investment are required to attract international patient for the complex procedure to India in terms of your point of view?
Thank you very much. First of all, I thank Medgate for organizing such an informative 3-day conference. I'm sure a lot is going to be gained by everybody here. I represent Yashoda Medicity. We are a chain of hospitals from 1990. Recently, we have set up a 1,200-bedded Medicity, which is in Indirapuram, Ghaziabad. So as far as Yashoda is concerned, we have made sure that everything is patient-centric. The patient is totally benefited out of it. They are getting the exact treatment, 100% treatments, and the other parts of the body are not getting affected. So when the patient sees that he has to come in, he's got a faster recovery, he's having lesser time involvement and better technology, that's where we are, and that's where the investment is really in. These investments are going a long way in making all international patients driven into our hospital currently.
With us, a totally different prospect with us, Dr. Manisha Soni. She is from Mumbai and founder of CommuniCare RX. What practical step can hospital should take to make aware of international patients for the complex surgeries?
Okay, so first, before I start, I'd like to thank Medgate for inviting me. So coming to your question, how can India do, or how can hospitals do something to attract patients? So before we think about international patients coming here, first we need to up the level of improving services to our own Indian patients first. Ghar ka pehle sort out karo, then we can get people from outside, because our patients will be advocates to get more patients from abroad. They will tell their families in America that why don't bother going there, your UK mein NHS sucks, like you need 6 months, you need an appointment for a knee replacement. Come to India, we'll get it done within a week for you. So our patients will be advocates to get you international patients. So you may need to make sure that our patients go home fully happy, fully satisfied. Right. So I feel that patient satisfaction is key, whether it is Indian or whether it is international.
Thank you. Lovely interactions. I would like to wind up. So thank you.
A big round of applause for all the panelists. Now I would like to invite Afzal sir to facilitate the panel.